Hey guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about COVID-19 and Indian prison reforms. Let's start. Our today's question is India's prison reflect during pandemic is a new hub. In this scenario, discuss the step that must be taken by the government in the direction of prison reform. First of all, what is the significance of that particular topic? It may be asked in GS paper 2 under section under the heading of social empowerment and issues arising out of design and implementation of policies. So, best case scenario, start with the constitutional angle. If you don't have the constitutional angle right now, then start with current scenario. Our introduction would be India being as a being a second most populous country in the world with highest number of daily cases of COVID-19, and now one more problem is arising regarding safety of prisoners. To control the situation, recently Supreme Court has ordered to states to decongest the jails because if the situation became uncontrolled, huge tsunami of COVID-19 cases attack over the prisoners. What are the issues? Due to overcrowding of jails, according to NCRB, prisoners are under trial, investigation, and social distancing is also not possible. India ranked 5th in the world in prison population as per the World Prison Belief, whereas UK only 11%, US 20%, and France 29%. Very poor sanitation and healthcare facilities. For example, in India, only one medical personnel for 243 inmates. Then prisoners are forgotten during COVID-19 pandemic globally as per Amnesty International. Then violent clashes and large number of custodial deaths. Then also problem in acquiring bail. Then due to lockdown, prisoners are not able to communicate with their families, which increase anxiety and depression in them. Then no vaccination and not following any safety norms of COVID-19 in jails. Poor hygiene and undernourished food, understaffing and underfunding. Then it also violates our constitutional right under Article 19, right to freedom of expression, and Article 21, right to life, and Article 39A of DPSP also, and also Section 436A of CRPC that says who have completed half of the maximum prison term should be released on the personal bond. What are the steps need to be taken by the government? Need to provide constitutional right Article 21 and DPSP 436A. Then state should not discriminate against prisoner and make vaccination available to them. Then prisoners arrested for minor crime should be exempt on bail. Then proper examination should be done before arresting a person. Then value education, meditation and yoga for prisoners in prison. Jail staff should be treated as frontline workers, need to provide proper testing and vaccination to control the spread of COVID-19. Then need to fast track the court system, need to apply recommendations given by the Amitav Rai committee. Then restrict unnecessary arrest as per Avnish Kumar versus State of Bihar 2014 case. Then we can also use technology for the trial. For example, e-courts may help us to control COVID-19. Then our conclusion would be, to conclude, we can say India is champion of human rights all across the world. But when we see the situation of our jails, it look like violation for the same. And now COVID-19 cases come from jail. To stop this spread, we need to follow these measures and try to decongest them to save lives and their fundamental and human rights too. So that's it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also provide your suggestions to improve. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.